Welcome back everyone to FLIX IT YOURSELF. I've been getting lately a lot of inquiries about how to fix vinyl flooring. So there's different floorings, different issues, different repairs. I'll share 3 simple ones. The first one is if you have a little dent or scratch, you could order on Amazon different colors and just feather it and mix it in. Let it dry for like 10-12 hours and it really looks gorgeous. The second issue people have is that the vinyl flooring, the interlocking ones, the last vinyl plank would move out of the place. That comes because of the expansion contraction. So all you need to do is put some glue, take a 2x3, put it on the glue, let it dry, and just take a rubber hammer and tap it back into space. When you're done, just simply knock it off and take over the tape, and it's beautifully back into place. The third and last most difficult situation is when you need to replace the plank. So as you see in the video, you would go in the center of the plank, mark it with a magic marker, and then by the end of both ends you make a 45-degree angle. Then you take anything, a multi-tool or circle saw, and you cut into the middle, and then by the 2 ends you just cut it in with a utility knife. When you finish, take a chisel or screwdriver and take out the old one. Once that's done, turn around the new vinyl plank and take off the lock. As you can see, there's a little lock. Take a chisel or a little knife and chip it off. Once you're done with putting the glue, you slide in the new plank between the old planks. You take the rubber hammer, tap it at all ends so it gets connected with the glue, and wipe off with a rag any excess glue, and you can walk over it right then and there. You don't even have to wait. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week.